Check out Speech Corner's Balancing Burger Vocabulary Companion Cards. This set targets synonyms, antonyms, sentence usage, naming tasks, describing tasks, and creating definitions for Tier 2 vocabulary words for students in grades 3 through 5th. This deck contains 50 different cards. Each card has 6 different questions on it and targets one Tier 2 vocabulary word. The accessories come in the Balancing Language Burger. That includes all the burger toppings. The set I'm talking about today only includes the cards. So let's take a look inside. First off, you'll get the introduction card, which will let you know what's included and how to play on the reverse. Next, you'll get alternative direction cards for some different ways to play the game. Next, I'll show you the content card. It lists all 50 of the Tier 2 words included in this deck. Next up is the explanation card. This lists all of the burger toppings and their corresponding language targets. Pickle synonyms, cheese antonyms, tomato sentence usage, lettuce naming tasks, meat patty describing, and then the bacon is creating definitions. Now let's get started playing our game. So to start with, you're going to set up the toppings and then roll the die. The roll of the die shows us that we're going to answer the tomato question first. So the student will grab their card and then look for the tomato on their card. So as you scan down, you will see that there's a target word at the top that's bolded. It's in a sentence. You'll get a nice photograph and then a word bank. Then the student will scan down to find the tomato. This one says, use alert in a sentence. The target Tier 2 word is alert. The student will then use it in a sentence. Once they use it, they will grab the tomato from the pile and balance it on the burger. The next student will roll the die. It looks like they have lettuce this time. So they're going to grab their card and look for the lettuce. Once again, it'll say, name places or activities where it is easy to be alert. So they will say maybe a sports practice or something like that. Once they answer that question, they will grab the lettuce and add it to the burger. This continues as the students continue to try to build the burger. Once again, the next student will roll the die. It lands on the cheese, so they're going to answer the cheese question. I'll grab a different card here just to show you how each of the cards are set up a little bit differently, but they have the same targets throughout the deck. They'll grab the cheese and add it to the burger. Hopefully your students will build that burger pretty tall, and then they'll see if it's steady or not.